who is always a guiding force to the state government of Maharashtra, Honorable Biradarji, Shahu Chhatrapati, Mr. John Bunter, and Dr. Sunil Karad. Bhushan Patwardhanji is with me. I think so many eminent personalities I could see the face today, and all the delegates in front of me. I welcome first of all to all the delegates which are from UK to the fastest growing economic country as India. When I say fastest growing economic country, then also I say that a country which has earlier older universities where there were no universities exist, Takshashila, Nalanda and whatnot. I will take the names up to BHU, Banaras Hindu Universities and all. So these universities are really created a role model in front of us. Then the city, as on today, the country has almost like 335 universities, 85 deemed universities, almost like 30 national importance institutions. So this is all huge work nowadays in this country is going on. Education as far as concerned. As far as Maharashtra is concerned, we are second largest state in the country. If you see, it is 112 million population, but we take the Rosette. And today, Maharashtra, where we are today, that is Pune. Pune is called as the education hub. So I'm really happy to welcome all the delegates today and this morning to the city of Pune. On behalf of Government of Maharashtra, I welcome you all. Dear friends, I believe, as I say, a country which is a well-performing country, the country only can well perform and can have a powerful country, said to be a powerful country, when the country is performing well in the economic fronts. When I say economic fronts, I'll just give you an overview of a Maharashtra government and the state, union government as such, Government of India. Our Indian economy is divided into three sectors almost. Earlier, the major sector was the agriculture sector. Then the second sector is the service sector, and the third sector we call it as the industrial sector. From these three sectors, we contribute our economy and ultimately to GDP of the nation. So if you see a first sector, down the line 20 years down, if you see the statistics of the rainfalls, what we had in Maharashtra as well as all over India, we had hampered a lot our agriculture sector. We could not perform well in that. But simultaneously, we did a nice thing that we transformed this sector, and an economy which was contributed from this sector, we transformed into another sector, that is a service sector. And we have well contributed through a service sector that by adding, earlier a farmer used to work in his farm with his son, with his grandson in the same farm, he used to contribute something. Now the position has changed. Now the son and grandson and the nephews, they got the education there at that level at the rural sectors, and they shifted to education pattern. Through that they started working somewhere around places like Tehsil places, district places, so that they started contributing to their family, ultimately to the income per capita of a state and a nation. So this has taken well care